Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you this awesome cool project. You're not going to believe what it is. It's so cool. So remember, this is just part one of quite a few videos to show you how to build a new catio. Okay, now you want to attach these little side wings at the bottom. And it has grooves that go in. And if you flip it over, they're more on this side. So now this is the way I'm doing it. You want this second notch to be just a wee bit above the edge. At least that's how I did it. And then you're just gonna screw that down. So you need to do this for your side beams. And I decided way easier, attach it to the workbench so that I won't be rolling around on the ground with this piece of wood. Okay, here we are squaring off the base for the catio. And these are just 2 by 4 by 8. So this is going to be an 8-foot enclosure. I might make it bigger by adding another extension to the back, but we'll see. And it's going to be under a nice shade tree, so they'll be cool. And then I can reclaim my greenhouse. And since the greenhouse will be right next to the catio, that may cut down on any snakes or anything being in there. I'm also going to have to move the cat tunnel from there to here, which let's hope will be easy. So this is squaring off the catio. Okay, so this is how I work by myself. I use the ladder to keep it steady, and then it makes it easier for me to drill the holes in the bottom. Okay, mental note. If you are using this easy, fast, quick up framer kit, put these things on first. It's a lot easier to attach them when you've got it on the ground as opposed to trying to do it when you've already got it up. So, we're gonna see. Coming along. Almost got one wall up. Ta-da! Okay. I got 2 of the sides up. Okay, 2 of the edges up for the catio. It's a start. Okay, when I was working on the catio last week, you didn't see these branches. But now, I gotta clip some of these branches because they're right at the top. But I still want to keep some natural shade cover on top of it. Well, it wasn't easy, but I got the second wall almost up. So we be moving along. Okay, getting it done with the catio, and you can see the cats are waiting. Sheba's waiting. Okay, gotta get this top part on. So next steps, stay tuned. Okay, this is the one thing I totally forgot to do. I meant to attach these before I put them up. Because remember when we did that side, I told myself, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to put those on before, because it's a hassle. It can be done once you've got them all up and everything. Okay, since I was working by myself on this project, as usual, in order to get this beam up here, what I did, I lifted it up, but I used the other ladder as a brace, and then I clamped it into place. So now I'll go up and I will put the screws in it, and then we'll put that center beam on. And remember, all these branches are there so the cats will have natural shade, so I won't have to put a canvas on top, but I will put a little dog house, cat house on the inside, just in case, you know, rain, whatever, if they don't want to be out here.